Have you ever wondered what makes it so hard for a baseball batter to hit a pitch? That's because a pitcher can throw so many different kind of pitches with different speeds and different movements at all times that the batter really has no clue at what is coming at him. In this video, I will demonstrate different kind of pitches that the pitchers use in a game. There's actually three major categories when there comes to how to throw pitches. You have a fastball, you have a changeup, and then thirdly you have a breaking ball. So the most notorious pitch in baseball is the four-seam fastball. It is the easiest to throw and is a very fast pitch. It comes in nearly 100 miles an hour with most pitchers, and it's a very good locator pitch if you know a weakness of a batter. So as you can see on the ball, you have the laces running this way, almost making the horseshoe here. And all you do is place your middle finger almost near the end of the horseshoe, and then you put your index finger right there. Just like that is how you hold the four-seam fastball. So secondly, you have the two-seam fastball, and all you do is rotate the ball here, and you have the two seams running up and down. You put your middle finger on one, and then your index finger on the other, and then bring your hand back, and there you have the two-seam fastball grip. The two-seam fastball grip is coming with just the amount of same speed as the four-seam fastball, but it has a little bit more movement, so it's a little bit harder for a baseball batter to hit because it's coming with so much speed, but also has a little bit more of a movement on it, so it's hard to really get a good hit on it. So in the changeup group, you have what they call a straight changeup. It is a pitch that can really throw off a batter. It's coming at 15 to 20 miles an hour less than the four-seam and the two-seam fastball. The changeups, it can be an effective pitch to throw early in a count on a baseball batter, and it's really good to get a ground ball in a baseball game. So to throw a changeup, you will place three fingers across the top, just like this, with your thumb on the bottom. And you really want to set it into your palm really good like that, as when you throw it, it will stay longer in your hand, almost looking like you're throwing a fastball, but it will produce a slower pitch and throw off the batter. Fourthly, you have a circle change. As it sounds, you produce a circle on the side of the ball here, like that, with your hands producing the three over the top like you did the straight change up. So the circle change is actually, you can provide movement like a two-seam fastball. So it looks like the two-seam fastball, but it is coming at a much slower pace, and it also produces a ground ball. So there again is how you hold a circle changeup. Fifth on the list is you have a curveball. A curveball is a type of pitch thrown that has a characteristic grip and a hand movement that imparts forward spin. It spins forward and will curve over and down. So first of all, you have the ball here with the horseshoe up, and you place your fingers on the inside of the horseshoe close together, your middle and index finger. So then that is how you will end up throwing it, and you will come over the top like this with the ball breaking down. So it will look as it's high, but then it will break down, and it can really affect a batter while he's batting. Sixth, you have a slider. A slider, you will have the horseshoe here, coming like this, and you will place your fingers on the inside just like that. So when you throw the slider, it will come on one side of the plate and rotate to the other side of the plate. And you can just imagine trying to hit a ball that is coming from one side of the plate to the other side of the plate. So there you have it. There are 6 pitches that can be thrown in a baseball game that can really affect a batter. And they're not easy pitches to hit, and that's what makes it so hard for a hitter to hit a baseball in a baseball game. Thank you.